Hospitalisations for respiratory illnesses like RSV are on the rise. There are also concerns New Zealand could be on the verge of a whooping cough epidemic, with case numbers already surpassing last year. Isabel Prasad has more.
Baby Astrid hanging out with her big sister.
Oh, good girl.
But just a few weeks ago, the newborn was struggling to breathe.
We were fast-tracked straight through ED. She was quite unwell, put on oxygen.
She was diagnosed with respiratory syncytial virus and spent 6 days in hospital.
And she'd vomited her feed and then she'd gone blue and stopped breathing. So that was scary.
Figures from the Institute of Environmental Science and Research show hospitalisations for respiratory illnesses like RSV, COVID and influenza are up 13% on the same time last year. Also causing concern, an increase in pertussis or whooping cough. 155 cases this year, surpassing the total number of infections in 2023.
What you see reported is only a small proportion of what's probably out there.
Whooping cough is an extremely contagious infection of the lungs and airways. It causes long and severe bouts of coughing and can be life-threatening for infants and the elderly. New Zealand's last outbreak was in 2018.
We think because of COVID and the restrictions that we didn't see so many in the last few years, but this year we're getting an increase.
Health experts are now monitoring if the country's on the brink of a serious outbreak.
We have quite low immunisation rates. That concerns us a lot because pertussis can spread very rapidly and cause large outbreaks.
We're absolutely moving into a whooping cough epidemic.
They're urging Kiwis to remain cautious of all winter bugs and to get immunised.
The age group that we're most worried about is babies, and the best way for them to get immunity is through their mum during pregnancy.
So babies like Astrid have the best shot at recovery. Isabel Prasad, One News.